Hi guys, hi Khalko. We are going out. It's Sunday today and we're having a family day today.
Mom.
Yes.
Ella pushed me.
Ella.
No, I didn't.
Okay, say sorry to him.
Yusuf did.
Say sorry to him.
No.
So we are going. Ella, where are we going?
Wonderland.
Huh?
Wonderland.
Winter Wonderland. The whole family is going first Turkish breakfast, then we going shopping, then we going lunch, then we going inshallah Winter Wonderland.
Why do I have to do so much thing behind?
Come on, Nafi.
Longer cafe, longer.
Hmm.
Yeah, so you do it like that.
Yeah.
Longer cafe. And then where we going? Winter Wonderland.
No, but we're going lunch as well.
Yeah, but longer cafe and then we go to Winter
Then
Wonderland.
shopping, then
Shopping? What are we buying?
town in there. I told you I'm buying some leggings.
This woman is a shopaholic.
No.
Yeah.
I stopped shopping since I started charging. What's up?
So now you're doing it.
Oh, I do, yeah. I deserve it.
خلكو ويل تشبختو واي
وين نافية بختو ولا نوي؟
ولی پختو نه یما خدا نه دا انګریزا دا انګریزي د زئی
زه خبره ولی پختو نه یم چې پختو کله ویم کنه نو پښتانه پکې داسې عجیب عجیب کمنټس کوي سو کوئی غټه پوز ده
نو خدا زموږ
سو
غټي
کوئی
پوزي دي
پښتانه دی او شرمول څوک سوي نو بس خدای چې دا انګلیش ویم دا
پښتانه شرمېدل
یې وی پښتانه مو شرمول څوک راته کنځلې کوي په پښتو کې ganda kanzali you know it's good to speak English. That's why the Porto is never English.
Hi Khalko. Basically me and Mama are going out. Why do I look so weird? Anyway, me and Mama are going out with the kids to Winter Wonderland
And the cafe.
and we're going to try this Turkish breakfast from Longer. It's supposed to be really nice, so
Yeah.
that's
and
on the agenda today.
The channel called Mali and me and Mali and
No,
never
it's Mali
with
and
me.
Mama.
Yeah, and you never with me.
Cause you're such a busy girl.
I'm a busy girl, but you're always busy. I'm from last
Mama,
3 months I'm in
you
bed.
just had an accident. It's been very difficult. Yeah. And give me one crisp.
My last is today, so you just have it. Yeah, I call this hand today because it's only the finger are working, but the rest is not working. So I call this hand today. Today mean in Pashto when what's today mean?
I don't know.
Today is like when something is not working in your body, I think. So my hand is today. Okay guys, this is my hometown. It's beautiful, you can see.
It's my hometown.
It's my hometown. Sing for me.
I'm in my hometown. It's not Adele.
Okay, that's my hometown. Look,
Yeah.
it's beautiful. I love it. I love it. But my camera is shaking too much.
Give me a bug.
No, it's okay.
Give me a bug.
Okay. We're here in our town center. Me and Samaya going Nando's and having a family day out. So we change our mind. Instead of going somewhere else, we choose another restaurant. But now, as usual, we want to go to Nando's. It's halal Nando's and it's our favorite. Isn't it, Emily? Oh yeah, Samaya. You know all the KFCs halal in Cardiff?
Really?
Yeah. You want to go KFC?
Halal in Bradford age ago.
Yeah, but Cardiff was all haram, and now it's halal KFC. So I think I'm gonna gain another 2 store and have KFC every day.
Where are they?
They were there.
Oh, they went.
No, they're here. Look. This is our town center. What are you doing? You're supposed to go Nando's.
Be careful.
Over there. Huh? No, this is halal. The one is by there.
No, that's haram.
No, the one outside by David Morgan, old David Morgan. Oh, Christmas lights. Look at that. So, I love Christmas lights. I'm like a kid. Huh? Everyone looking to me. Why? Oh, so what? Oh, that's nice. Yummy. We're here to, it's called Slim Chicken. So we decide to eat food here now. House food. Slush food. New halal shop opened. You enjoy your food? Oh yeah, Maliha, we need drinks. Yeah.
No, inside.
This is Winter Wonderland. Dit is Winter Wonderland वाली वही. Winter की. बस इधर लपकार दी summer की जोड़ की. He think he's hot.
Wonderland.
Wow. It's freezing cold. I'm just looking for food, honestly. I don't care about Winter Wonderland. Can I show you? This is the ice skating place. This is a food court. Oh, there's nothing much here. You know the London Winter Wonderland is so big. Yeah. Now you say in 3 days. They even didn't finish in 3 days. I wish this is halal. Huh? Yeah. But it's not halal. Oh, this is halal. It's crepe. Shall we eat one?
Yeah, let's go over there and then you...
Okay. Ooh. Grill house. It is big. Oh, look at that. That was in the Cardiff beach as well. I think that's finished now, isn't it? It's the same one, they bought it here. Look, his giraffe neck. He got a giraffe neck. What are you doing, Dina?
I'm just freezing my butt off.
You gonna give me your jacket?
No? Oh, do you want it?
No, I want it to put it underneath my bum.
No.
Why?
You give me your jacket.
I can. Can you give? Look at this. Wallahi, your jacket is lovely. Where
Okay,
from?
that's from Amazon.
Amazon.
Yeah.
Look at his beard. Yeah, my son getting old. Look at his white beard. My son getting old. Come on, show me your me.
I look so bad. Go away.
You don't look bad. You're so handsome, mashallah. The handsome boy, man. Look, this one got giraffe neck. This one is so handsome. Show me your eyes. Oh my God.
I need a haircut.
Look at that. Look. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
The entrance is there.
Where?
There.
Come here, guys. Queue here. Hey.
The queue is here.
Yeah. Kibi. Hi guys. So we're here now in Chili Garden with Sunny. Oh, my hair is showing. Sunny, hide my hair. Fix my scarf. With one hand, what can I do then? No, but I only got one hand. Okay, so we here. This is one of mine and Sunny and Sid's favorite Chinese places. It's called Chili Bazo on City Road, Cardiff. Check it out. It's really nice. My another favorite son is coming. It's my another favorite son. you know, hold the camera. But I try to make a vlog today, inshallah. Everything is so messed up because I'm home alone. Kids now here from last couple of days, and garden need to tidy up all the areas. So, and I go proper CD. Soon I come out, I say this part is dirty, that part is dirty, that part is dirty. So inshallah, soon I'm gonna arrange someone to cut the grass, clean the basketball court, all the trees and everything. As you know, I had a bad accident 3 months ago, and I'm slowly recovering from that. My one hand, this hand, is still not working, but alhamdulillah my car is like built like that I can operate it with one hand, alhamdulillah. Everything is like the gear is here and everything is here, and there's no handbrake or anything. So alhamdulillah I can drive now. This is my 3rd time I'm driving now, and I'm going to Sidindina house. They were like yesterday was like, you know, they want me to go to their house, sleep over, but I say can't. I actually checked their message really late, and I say I can't drive that late. So then she said, say I'm gonna come to get you, and I say it's no point because it's late quite. So that's why I'm going now to Sidindina house and have lunch with them, inshallah, a little bit chit chat, and then come back before it's dark. One of my favorite coffee place, and I'm here to have my Christmas latte. Assalamu alaikum. So we're going out today to watch Frozen 2. We're watching Frozen 2, and kids are sitting there happy, and they want to sing Medina. Go, come on.
Medina, Medina, Medina tun Nabi, Medina, Medina. That's where I wanna be. Oh, oh, Medina, Medina. Oh, oh, Medina, Medina. طلع البدر علينا. طلع البدر علينا. مدينة مدينة. طلع البدر علينا.
Sit properly. Your belt is on?
Yep.
Okay.
من ثنيات الوداع. مدينة مدينة.
Where's your belt? Oh, your belt is on, is it?
طرفت المدينة. مرحبا يا خيرادا.
This is the nasheed. From my good side is my left side, but you know my left hand is not working. There's still so much swelling. Now the doctor my surgeon find out that the nail goes into my joint, so it's gonna be another operation. I want to do so many things now because I'm home, no working, no even step in my businesses places. I'm so bored, so I thought I'm gonna make so much videos, share it with you people, like recipes, makeup. But honestly, I tried to do makeup yesterday on Sumaya with one hand. We thinking left hand won't do that much, but with one hand I can't do anything, and my left hand is the size of my leg, is that much swelling. So I feel a little bit embarrassed as well when I make video. Like I was cooking and my hand looked massive. So that's why, you know, like I feel a little bit thing as well, because people don't think and just comment, and I know they will comment, oh your hand is so big. So just for sake of that, I say no, I'm not gonna make any recipe video, because for the recipe video the camera's on and I'm moving and my hands show again and again. Alhamdulillah, my physiotherapy appointment done. Now I'm going to Cardiff, driving myself. It makes me so happy. And after that, inshallah, I'm gonna go to the homeless to drop some food to the homeless